So, Nike sneakers. I had previously spoken about this when it first launched in India, and my opinion then was that it doesn't really work in a fair manner. But then, as time passed, a lot of people could cop some nice sneakers from their platform, and so, like in any other case, I started getting a lot of questions about it. Hence, today I am going to clear all your doubts about Nike Sneakers India. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Those of you who do not know, Nike Sneakers is an app developed by Nike dedicated to releasing highly sought after sneakers. However, some countries like ours does not have an app yet and instead have a desktop version within the Nike website. The very first thing you need to know is not all releases are the same through this system. There are 3 different types of releases depending on the shoe. Not exactly relevant as we cannot do anything except clicking on that buy button and praying to God. But let's just go over it once. Flow, Leo and Dan. Flow is first come first serve basis where the fastest people to click buy and check out win. Dan is a raffle system where you get 10 to 30 minutes to enter and a lucky few are selected randomly to go ahead and check out. And Leo is sort of a mix of both where random people from first few who enter are allowed to check out depending on the stock in each size. Like I said, this doesn't really matter, but since I also said all you need to know in the thumbnail, and so I shared this info. Otherwise some smart ass is going to come saying great content bro, but you did not mention how the sneakers are released. Anyways, now before we get into the most important aspect of whether it works or not, let me quickly go through the how to buy angle for all you new guys out there. It's no rocket science. Visit Nike.com and it takes you to the Indian page. There, apart from the usual shopping, is a tab called Nike Sneakers Launch Calendar. Here is where you will find the limited releases listed. Go to the upcoming section and you will see coming soon below each sneaker with the date and time of release. Now once the clock turns to the time specified, this coming soon button turns into buy. Remember to be logged in beforehand. Next, click buy, enter the payment info and wait till it says you got it or you did not. Simple as that. Although for some reason it does not save your payment info as you will have to enter it every time you try to cop from sneakers. Shipping. When you buy anything from this section of the website will be around 8 to 12 days in most cases as these sneakers usually come from Singapore. But for you it's treated as an Indian purchase and you won't have to pay any international shipping amounts or any duties and taxes, so no need to worry about that. Now, the $1 million question, does it work? Let me first say there are no guidelines by Nike. Everyone has their own study and understanding about how things work. I am sharing with you what I believe is the most logical understanding. So, just because a Jordan 1 Royal Toe and for example Chunky Dunky are listed in the upcoming section and you are able to cop 2 pairs of Royal Toes doesn't mean you have equal chances of getting those ice cream dunks as well. I'm not talking because of the stock numbers here. That obviously plays a role in the probability like you already know. But what I am talking about is stock allocation. Royal Toes were lined up for an official Indian release and hence it was probably easier to cop from the sneakers platform. It means there was possibly an allocation of certain quantities for India and hence the competition was among us only and not all of Asia. Why I am comparing to Asia is because all the sneakers that you see listed in the upcoming section of sneakers are for all of Asia and not India. Okay, maybe not all of Asia in total, but not specifically India. Same way, when Pine Green Jordan 1s dropped, a lot of guys texted me saying I copped 2 pairs, I copped 3 pairs and then immediately asking me about another upcoming sneaker which they should buy or not for reselling. And I was sitting here thinking what the hell should I answer to these guys? So basically that is what led me to make this video. If what I am saying is 100% true, and there is stock allocation for every country, then you trying for a sneaker which is mainly for Singapore makes no sense at all. Not all limited releases are a sneakers exclusive unless specifically stated by Nike. Think of it this way, if Dunk Low Brazil is not coming to a Nike store or Super Kicks or Veg Non-Veg, then how would it be available to you on sneakers? You can go back and look at most sneakers that have released in India. They also dropped in at least one of the physical stores. What and why remains the same, because any Jordans that drop anywhere in India, whether exclusive to a retailer or not, they also obviously drop on the Nike website. Be smart. Now, I will tell you how you can know about which ones will be India specific and easier to cop for now. Unfortunately, Nike does not share such info. But when you get some news from Super Kicks or Wedge on Wedge or me with my upcoming sneaker release videos, then these are the sneakers that will be worth waking up at 7 in the morning and trying for. There is no guarantee of what I am saying, as there is simply no way to know for sure, but at least I am giving you a heads up so you don't end up getting out of bed at 7 am every morning when you see an awesome sneaker listed in the upcoming section of sneakers. About the non-specific to India drops, why I say it's not worth trying is because most likely there is no stock allocated for purchases made from India. Also, if we do stand a chance, then there are bots that come into play outside which do not work in India yet. Bots are useless anyways when it comes to Nike sneakers. I'll tell you why in a bit. So to conclude this, I would say keep an eye out for India specific news and then definitely go all out with your attempt on sneakers. For the rest, it's up to you if you want to try your luck with almost no probability as per my study. Now, let's discuss a few common questions that you guys usually have in mind. Firstly, there are no tricks on sneakers. The reason why it is so difficult to cop is because there are no tricks that people can use and be unfair. However, tips are something which is a more sensible question, so I will leave that for another video once we have an app for sneakers in India. Next, bots. Although you must have seen many bots for sneakers, unfortunately none work in India yet. Honestly, there is no point in spending money on a bot because Nike keeps updating the system, so these bots keep failing. Also, if and when they do work, they only work under the flow system, which is first come first serve, and Nike mostly uses the dance system, which is a raffle for the limited sneakers, and there is no point of a bot again. Hence, stop thinking about that and treat this as a lucky draw based purely on your luck. Next, why all sneakers don't come to India specifically yet is because we are a growing market and there are levels defined by Nike as to which market gets which sneaker because of its limited nature. Doesn't mean it will never happen. Keep buying more and more sneakers that come here and finally we will progress to getting all of them. Next, Dunks. No, Dunks and SB Dunks do not come to India yet, but I guess we should start seeing them probably by next year. Next, using American or UK sneakers app. Yes, you can do this, but it isn't as simple as changing the location from the website. I wouldn't advise you to waste time on this. However, I will make a video to explain this a little later, so stay tuned. And lastly, I know we haven't seen any sneaker listed in the upcoming section in the last couple of days, and for this I can think of only two reasons. One, there is a major delay in the sneaker shipments from Nike to India, and maybe they have kind of paused the orders for us. And two, there is a chance that going forward we will only see the sneakers that are specific to India. And since we haven't seen any concrete release in recent days, except for a few on Wedge, non-Wedge only, we don't know yet which of the two options is the case. I personally want the option 2 to be the case, as this would just simplify everything and also not leave us hopeful about a certain sneaker which we know isn't coming to India. So this is all, guys. I hope I have covered most relevant aspects of Nike sneakers platform in India. I hope Nike is watching this and they realize how much we want this platform to get better and fair for us. Until then, let's keep trying our luck and keep exploring more options to cop some heat. And if you have watched till here, then do not forget to like this video, and I will see you next Thursday. Peace.